Hi everyone, welcome you all. Hope you are fine and enjoying learning with me. I'm looking forward to the next topic. Before we do that, I have a piece of a code which I have created, okay, in this workspace. So this is the last exercise of lesson 10. This is a free play. I can draw whatever I want. Here what I have did is I have a repeat four step toward the west and then four step toward the north. Okay, so from here to here, let's see. Okay, and then I said repeat east and repeat south. Okay, so what it will do, it will move from here then up and make a stairs. Okay, like this. See, let's run this one. Okay, four step, 1 2 3 and 4, and now you can see. Okay, so my stairs are ready. Okay, so now let us jump towards our new lesson. Before going to lesson number 11, we are going to take a challenge. Okay, try this one. So basically I want to try this challenge and send me pic in my personal number or using Google Classroom. Okay, so here what you have to do is you have to make a house, okay, or a tree or whatever you want to draw. Okay, this is open-ended question. Whatever you draw, you just send me pics. Okay, I'm waiting for that. Okay, so now here are some of the ideas. If you scroll it down, here are some of the ideas you can choose it from and then go ahead. Okay, so I will not be doing it. You are going to send me pics. Okay, remember, I'm waiting for it, and I will take a name of best solution, right? So let's see who is the best in the creativity. Okay, okay, let's go to the lesson number 11. Let's click on to lesson 11 and see. So big event. Okay, you can go ahead and watch the video. Basically it is all about events. What are events? A click of a mouse is an event. Okay, if I click on a button and it takes me to the some another screen, then this is also a button. If I click on this download video, a video will be downloaded to my local computer. So this is an event. So actually our computer performs certain tasks on the wish of user. Okay, not by the sequence. In previous examples what we have did, we have given some set of instruction. Our cartoon character does whatever we have written. Okay, it doesn't take any intelligent decision or it do not react to the event. Okay, so what is event? Event is any action done by the user or by the system. Okay, so for another example is when I click on this, video will play. If I won't, then video won't play. Okay, so these are called events. Let's click on continue and see what next. So click on the lesson 12 and now go ahead and you can see these are the characters. I am going to play a small portion of it and you can see
Time to
complete
get creative
video,
and use your coding
right?
skills to tell a story. Your story will have actors, and you'll be able to make these actors talk and interact with each other.
So create my own game. So I have to move around the cat and the dog.
Okay, you
and
can
make them
watch
say
complete
things.
video and see.
Start thinking of what kind of story you want to tell.
Continue.
The cat's
Let's
always going to
continue
find the
this.
dog.
Now some code is already written. Okay, now what I'm going to do is first let us set a background and choose a character. Okay, set this and mood, I say it should be a jolly mood. So this is the jolly mood. Okay, and then something. Okay, when I said when my up button is pressed and then I want let's say to play a sound, and then I want move this character. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, so I'm clicking on this. So this is the event. Now you can see a random sound is playing and my dog is moving up. Okay, similarly if I say when button, okay, so when a down button is pressed I should be moving my character to one step down. Okay, so let's try this, reset, and let's run and see. When I click on up arrow key or a up button, a sound is played and my character is moved one step up. Okay, and if I press down, sound will not play, but my character will move down. And I can have, let's say, okay, so I'm say good morning, or how are you, or okay, there are many things, so take care, it's fine for me. Let's run this. Okay, let's run down, take care. Okay, now I think you understand the concept of this puzzle. Okay, when is a block which tells you about the trigger, that means which arrow key is pressed, and these are certain performance block. Okay, whatever you want your character to do or system to do, you can drop it. Okay, so let's click on finish and see this, see the next exercise. So next, so here the George the dog wants to say hi there, can you help? Obviously, when run, say hi there. That's simple, right? Vanish is also there, and let's say hi and then vanish. Let's see. Okay, and then gone. Simple. Let us take a next puzzle. So here, what you need to do is you need to create an event left to move a character toward the left. Okay, so I have already did it. So if I try to run this, when I click on this, this block, my character will move toward the left hand side. So you can see, really simple. So instead of giving predefined instructions, we are using our events to do something. Here also you can see we have flags and I have used some blocks. Okay, so for you I'm going to delete all the blocks. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to take a when block, when run. Okay, I am saying, let's say when a left arrow or a move right button is clicked, your character moves right. Okay, and when a left button is clicked, your character moves left. Let's say, where is left? Okay, move left. Okay, so like this you can have up and down. My possibilities are infinite, you can do whatever you want to do. Okay, so let's run and see my character is running here, and if I going there, okay, so see, this is really simple. So what we have learned here, we have certain events which we can track. For example, on click of a mouse on a certain area in a screen will do something. Like if I click on this button at this area, my menu will open. Okay, similarly if I click on this, my Adobe Reader will open. Okay, so now if I click on run, the blocks which I have placed in my workspace will start executing, right? So you can do it. So here are the blocks, move left and right are okay. Then we have to write a code when up and down arrow is clicked. Okay, when up arrow is there, and let's say when down arrow, one click of a down button, let's move, okay, down. Now you have a when click, it's just a fun. When you click on it, let's say we say mood is, let's say, jolly, and let's use some more badal, and let's say we say hi there. Okay, that will be fine when I click on this character, right? Let's run this one and see. Okay, hi there when I click on this, and if I try to move it, it moves up. When I try to move it down, it moves down. So okay, so I have reached the goal first time, and let's move. Okay, so this is really, you can continue and perform these two exercises on your own. Okay, and tomorrow we are going to learn something very, very funny and very, very interesting. So this concludes our today's topic. Thank you. Hope you will enjoy this exercise and you will be waiting for my next tutorial. Okay. And do not forget to send me your creative house you have created in previous lesson last exercise. So goodbye and have a nice day.